Every spring, millions of people spend money on seeds, fertilizer, and garden supplies, only to start all over again the next year. What if you could plant your food once and harvest it for the next 20, 30, or even 50 years? It sounds too good to be true, but it's exactly how people fed their families long before supermarkets existed. In this video, I'll show you 10 incredible plants that keep producing year after year with very little work. Some will give you fruit every summer. Others produce nutritious leaves almost every week. And one of them can still be feeding your grandchildren decades from now. If you want a backyard that becomes more productive every year instead of more expensive, stay with me until the end. Let's get started. The biggest gardening mistake. Here's the mistake almost every beginner makes. They fill their garden with plants that only live for one season. Tomatoes, lettuce, beans, spinach. They're great crops, but every year you have to buy seeds again, prepare the soil again, plant again, water again, start over again. There's nothing wrong with annual vegetables, but if your goal is long-term food security, they're only part of the picture. The smartest gardeners build their gardens around perennials, plants that keep coming back year after year. Once established, many of these plants need less water, less fertilizer, and less work than annual crops. Instead of rebuilding your garden every year, your garden gets stronger every season. That's the difference between gardening and building a food system. Number 1. Mulberry tree. If I could plant only one tree, this would probably be it. The mulberry tree is one of the most generous fruit trees you'll ever grow. A mature tree can produce dozens of pounds of sweet berries every single year. The fruit is delicious fresh, perfect for jams, smoothies, or drying for later. But that's not all. The leaves can even be used as livestock feed for chickens, goats, rabbits, and ducks. That's one tree feeding both your family and your animals. Mulberries grow quickly, tolerate different soils, and can produce fruit for decades. Plant it once, and every summer, nature does the rest. Number 2. Moringa. Many people call moringa the miracle tree, and once you learn what it can do, you'll understand why. Almost every part of the tree is useful. The leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein. They can be added to soups, salads, smoothies, or dried into powder. The young pods are edible. Even the flowers can be eaten. In warm climates, moringa grows incredibly fast. Cut it back, it grows again. Harvest the leaves, it produces more. It's one of the most productive food plants you can grow. Number 3. Fig trees. Fig trees have been feeding families for thousands of years. There's a reason they've survived for so long. Once established, a healthy fig tree produces baskets of sweet fruit every year. Fresh figs are expensive at grocery stores because they don't travel well. But when they're growing in your backyard, you can harvest them at perfect ripeness. Eat them fresh, dry them, make jam, or share them with neighbors. Many fig trees continue producing for over 50 years with proper care. That's a lifetime investment. Number 4. Asparagus. Most people don't realize asparagus is actually a perennial. You plant it once, wait patiently, and then harvest it every spring. A healthy asparagus bed can keep producing for 20 years or more. That's decades of fresh vegetables from one planting. Yes, it requires patience in the beginning, but patience is exactly what makes perennial gardens so powerful. You're sacrificing one season to enjoy harvests for decades. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries aren't just delicious, they're one of the healthiest fruits you can eat. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, they're often called a superfood. The problem, fresh blueberries are expensive, very expensive. A mature blueberry bush can produce several kilograms of berries every year.
Many bushes stay productive for 30 to 50 years. Imagine walking outside every summer, picking handfuls of fresh blueberries without spending a single dollar at the supermarket. Number 6. Avocado tree. If you live in a warm climate, an avocado tree might be one of the best investments you can make. Store-bought avocados can be surprisingly expensive, especially when prices rise. But a healthy avocado tree can produce hundreds of fruits every year once it reaches maturity. Think about that for a moment. One tree, year after year, producing creamy, nutritious fruit packed with healthy fats. With proper care, an avocado tree can remain productive for decades. Plant it once, and it may feed not only you, but your children as well. Number 7. Rosemary. Most people think of rosemary as just another herb. It's much more than that. Rosemary is incredibly hardy. It tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil better than many garden plants. Instead of buying fresh rosemary every time you cook, you can simply step outside and cut a few sprigs. The same plant can keep producing for many years with almost no maintenance. Sometimes the smallest plants save the most money over time. Number 8. Grapevines. A single grapevine can produce baskets of grapes every season. Fresh grapes, homemade juice, jelly, raisins, and if you build a simple trellis, the vine grows upward instead of taking up valuable garden space. Some grapevines continue producing for 50 years or more. That's why vineyards are often passed down through generations. The older the vine becomes, the more valuable it can be. Number 9. Chaya, tree spinach. This is one of the most overlooked food plants in the world. Chaya grows like a shrub and produces nutritious leaves almost continuously in warm climates. Unlike regular spinach that disappears after a season, chaya keeps coming back. Harvest the leaves, the plant grows more, again and again. Many gardeners call it one of the easiest leafy vegetables to grow. Just remember that the leaves should be cooked before eating. Once you plant it, you'll have a reliable source of healthy greens for years. Number 10. Lemon tree. We'll finish with one of the most useful plants you can own, a lemon tree. Lemons are used almost every week in many homes: cooking, drinks, tea, cleaning, preserving food. A mature lemon tree can produce hundreds of lemons each year. Instead of paying for them over and over again, your backyard becomes your grocery store. And many lemon trees remain productive for several decades. That's an incredible return from a single planting.
The lesson that changed everything. I'll be honest, when I first started gardening, I chased quick harvests. I planted vegetables that looked impressive for a few months, then disappeared. Every year felt like starting from zero, buying seeds again, preparing beds again, spending more money again. Then someone asked me a simple question. If you knew you'd still be living here in 10 years, why aren't you planting for 10 years from now? That question completely changed how I looked at gardening. Instead of asking, what can I harvest this month? I started asking, what will still be feeding my family 10 years from now? That's when everything changed. Every fruit tree became an investment. Every perennial became a promise to my future self. And every season, the garden became easier to manage instead of harder. The biggest mistakes people make. Before you start planting, avoid these common mistakes. Mistake number 1, planting only annual crops. Annual vegetables are wonderful, but they shouldn't be your entire garden. Build your garden around long-lasting plants first. Mistake number 2, choosing plants that don't match your climate. Always grow varieties that thrive where you live. A healthy plant in the right climate will always outperform a struggling plant in the wrong one. Mistake number 3, expecting instant results. Fruit trees don't become productive overnight.
Some need 3 years, others need 5. But remember, the best time to plant a tree was years ago. The second best time is today. Mistake number 4, giving up too soon. Many people quit before their garden reaches its full potential. Perennial gardens reward patience. The first year they sleep, the second year they grow. The years after that, they feed you. Imagine this: walking into your backyard. A mulberry tree loaded with fruit, a lemon tree ready for harvest, fresh blueberries waiting to be picked, grapes hanging from the vines, a basket full of figs, fresh rosemary for tonight's dinner, nutritious moringa leaves growing just a few steps away. Instead of seeing an empty yard, you see abundance, food, security, a garden that becomes more valuable every year. That's the beauty of perennial plants. You don't keep starting over, you keep moving forward. So here's my challenge for you. This week, choose just one of these 10 plants, plant it, take care of it, and let it become the beginning of a backyard that feeds your family for decades. Tell me in the comments, which plant are you going to grow first? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because in the next video, I'll show you 10 vegetables that grow faster than you think and can fill your harvest basket in just a few weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.